someone you love is never easy. But when there's no money for a proper burial, the pain becomes even heavier. Many families go into debt just to say goodbye. That's why understanding funeral cover is so important, especially if you or your loved ones depend on a SASSA grant. What is funeral cover? Funeral cover is a type of insurance. You pay a small amount each month, and when you or someone on your plan dies, the policy pays out money to help cover funeral costs. This includes things like the coffin, transport, catering, and burial or cremation. Can SASSA beneficiaries get funeral cover? Yes. Even if you receive a grant from SASSA, whether it's the older person's grant, disability grant, or child support grant, you can still get funeral cover from private companies. SASSA itself does not provide funeral cover, but you can use part of your grant to pay for a policy. Some insurers also offer low-cost plans specially made for grant beneficiaries. Be careful, SASSA does not deduct money for funeral cover anymore. In the past, some deductions were taken directly from your SASSA grant for funeral policies. But as of May 2022, SASSA no longer allows any funeral deductions from your grant unless you give written permission in person. This was to stop fraud and abuse. Source: SASSA official statement. Where can you get funeral cover? Many registered and trusted companies offer funeral cover such as Avbob, Old Mutual, Capitec Funeral Plan, Asupol, Clientele. They have different plans for different needs. Some start as low as 50 rands per month, with payouts from 10,000 rands up to 50,000 rands or more. What to look for in a good funeral cover plan? Monthly premium. Can you afford it? Waiting period. Most plans have a 6-month waiting period for natural death. Payout amount. Will the money be enough for a decent funeral? Who is covered? Can you add your spouse, children, or parents? Claim process. Is it fast and simple when the time comes? Why it's worth it? If you don't have funeral cover, your family may need to borrow money or depend on donations. A small monthly payment can save your loved ones from stress and embarrassment when the time comes. Helpful tip. Before you sign up for any plan, check if the company is registered with the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, FSCA. You can visit their website at www.fsca.co.za to confirm. This helps you avoid scams. 1. Can I still get funeral cover if I'm over 60 and on the older person's grant? Yes, most funeral insurance companies accept people up to age 75 or even 85. Just be sure to ask about the age limit and waiting period before you sign up. 2. What happens if I miss a payment? If you miss one or more payments, your policy could be cancelled and you might lose all the money you've paid. Always try to pay on time. If you're struggling, contact the insurer quickly to see if they can help. 3. Can I cover my children or grandchildren under my policy? Yes, most plans let you add family members like children, grandchildren, spouse, or parents. Just make sure they are listed as dependents when you join. We all want to be remembered with dignity. Funeral cover doesn't remove the pain of loss, but it gives your family peace of mind. Even if all you earn is a SASSA grant, you still have the power to plan ahead. Because when that day comes, your family shouldn't have to worry about money. They should only remember the love. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.